Hello, my name is Michael. You can see me in the top right corner of your screen, I believe. Um, we thought we'd take a little time to give you a little introduction to where a lot of your courses will take place at ILIF, which is in Canvas, which is our learning management system. So this will just be a brief introduction of what the interface looks like and how these spaces operate as learning spaces for your time here at ILIF. So we'll start with to get to these courses in Canvas, you will go to this URL, ilif.instructure.com, and then here you see the login page. In the login page, you can either type in a username and password that you've been given, which will be your username will usually be your user ID and the password, whatever you've set up as the password. But you can also log in using your ILIF Google email account. So if you click on login with Google, and then choose the account that you're either already logged into or can log into. Again, you'll need to use your ILIF email account. Then that'll automatically log you in. So once you're logged in to Canvas, you'll see this is the dashboard space, which contains little cards, these squares here, for each course that you currently have set to show on the dashboard, which usually defaults to courses that are active. So it'll be, if it's the fall term, it'll be your fall courses, et cetera, et cetera. You can customize that. On the right-hand side on the dashboard, you'll see the to-do list, which is a really important and wonderful feature of Canvas that gives you a list of the next 7 days of things that you have to do in Canvas for all of your courses. On this dashboard page here, you'll see, assignments due, discussions you need to participate in, and all that sort of stuff in the to-do area over there. Coming up, we'll show you any calendar items, events that are happening in any of your Canvas courses, and feedback provides an easy way for you to see instructor feedback that they've given on assignments or things like that. On the left-hand side of Canvas, all the time, you'll see the global navigation. It's got the ILIF I at the top, and then you have several global navigation options. The account option is where you'll set up your profile, where you'll add an image for yourself. You'll also set a little bio. You can set your notification preferences here, et cetera, et cetera. The dashboard is what we just spoke about. It's this main entry page here. Courses will give you a list of your courses that you are able to see. And this all courses will take you to even past enrollments that you can have access to. Groups will show you all the groups you might be in. Calendar is a part of Canvas that will give you an aggregate calendar for all of the courses and other things you are involved in Canvas. You'll see over here on the right, these are all the calendars that if I had things going on, they would all show up in this central calendar here. This calendar is exportable to Outlook or other calendar tools if you want to do that. Inbox is the messaging system in Canvas, so you'll see some messages here from either instructors or other fellow students. And help is an important one. Here's where you can find easy links to ask your instructor for a course or question, search Canvas guides, which is, Canvas has great documentation that you can use, and report a problem is a way to submit a support ticket to us to say, hey, this isn't working, can you help me with this? Or you can change your password, or you can go to ILIF's own documentation and guidelines for how to use certain technologies. There's also the green help button in the bottom right corner that you can use to get a hold of us and ask a question. So that's how the main area of Canvas works, and that's the global navigation. The last introduction I'll give you is what it looks like once you go into a course. So once you go into a course, if you click on the course there, you'll see again the global navigation stays here, but now you're inside one particular course. And we're on a syllabus page at this point where you see the calendar for this course only, and you would see the to-do list and the coming up sections just for this course as well, meaning in here, you'll only see what you have to do for this course and what events are coming up for this course. True for every other course as well. And here you'll see at the syllabus, you have a syllabus at the top and then a whole bunch of calendar items down here that drive the course. So these are your assignments and your discussions and things like that. Notice on the left, we've already seen the global navigation on the far left. Just next to that is the course navigation. This course navigation may look different in different courses. Instructors may have rearranged things or hidden certain things, but in general, these are the items you'll have to navigate the course. The home page will get you to the main page of the course. Assignments will show you a list of your assignments and due dates. Grades is how you'll access grades. People is where you can see who's in your course, both students and instructors. And there are several of other of these. Policies and services is a place where you can find general policies for the institution, where you can find how to contact the writing lab, how to get ADA accommodations, et cetera, et cetera. So there's a lot of resources in this navigation, this course navigation on the left as well. If you don't want to see this course navigation, you can click these 3 bars here and you can hide the course navigation, but you can always show it again by clicking the same bars. So this is the beginning of the online spaces that you will use in your courses at ILIF. So if you have any questions about this or want to learn more, please check out our documentation at the ILIF IT Knowledge Base here, or give us an email at support@ilif.edu.